If you've ever wanted to share your ideas online and even make money from your writing, Medium is one of the best platforms to start. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to start writing on Medium as a complete beginner. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create your first article and publish it confidently. First, go to the Medium website and sign up for an account. You can use your email, Google, or social media accounts to get started quickly. Once you're logged in, take a few minutes to set up your profile. Add a profile picture, a short bio, and your interests so readers know what you write about. Next, click on your profile icon and select Write a Story. This will open Medium's editor, where you can start creating your article. Begin with a strong title that clearly tells readers what your post is about. A good title increases your chances of getting clicks and reads. Now, start writing your content. Keep your paragraphs short and easy to read. Focus on providing value, whether it's tips, personal experiences, or useful information. Medium readers prefer clear, engaging, and authentic writing. You can format your article using headings, bold text, and images to make it more visually appealing. Just highlight the text to see formatting options. You can also add links to support your content. Once your article is ready, click on Publish. Before publishing, you'll be asked to add tags. Choose relevant tags so your article reaches the right audience. Tags help Medium recommend your content to readers interested in similar topics. After publishing, share your article on social media to get more views. Consistency is key, so try to write regularly and improve with each post. If you want to earn money, you can apply for the Medium Partner Program. Once approved, you'll earn based on how much time members spend reading your articles. In this tutorial, we learned how to start writing on Medium by creating an account, writing and formatting an article, adding tags, and publishing it. With practice and consistency, you can grow your audience and even earn from your writing. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.